This video uses AirEngine 6760R51 as examples to describe how to install an outdoor AP. It is recommended that the devices be installed in the preceding positions. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation, as this operation may occur at a potentially dangerous height. Ensure that qualified experts perform the installation. If using sharp items to open the packaging, take care not to damage the device inside. To pre-install the AP mounting bracket, prepare the components displayed above. Secure the AP mounting bracket on the AP. To install an AP on a wall, prepare the components displayed above. Mark the mounting hole positions on the wall with a marker. A level instrument can be used to mark the holes to ensure equilibrium. Drill holes in the wall using a hammer drill. These holes should fit the expansion bolts. Screw the nuts into the expansion bolts. Hammer the expansion bolts into the holes until the flat washers are closely attached to the wall. Remove the nuts, spring washers, and flat washers in sequence. Secure the wall mounting bracket on the wall. Remove the topmost screw from the wall mounting bracket. Mount the AP on the bracket and tighten the screw until it passes through the hole in the horizontal scale plate. Adjust the horizontal and vertical angles of the device using the scale plate. Tighten all screws. Route the Ethernet cable through the waterproof PG connector. Connect the Ethernet cable to the PoE in port on the AP. Connect the ground cable. After connecting the cables, bind them according to the specifications. Verify the installation. Request technical engineers to perform power-on commissioning.